Did you know that some of the longest-lasting vehicles on the road are Toyotas? Models like the 4Runner, Tacoma, and Land Cruiser often reach 300,000 miles or even more while still running strong. But this kind of longevity doesn't happen by accident. It's not just about changing the oil or topping off fluids. There are specific service steps and habits that keep these vehicles running smoothly for decades. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 10 essential maintenance tips that can help your Toyota reach 500,000 miles without costly repairs. Let's dive in. Number 1. Change your oil every 5,000 miles. This is the foundation of engine longevity. Get this wrong, and everything else becomes damage control. Yes, Toyota often lists 10,000-mile oil change intervals, but that only applies under near-perfect conditions. Steady highway driving, clean environments, and consistent full warm-ups. Most drivers don't meet those standards. According to Family Handyman, the leading cause of engines failing before 200,000 miles is skipping or delaying oil changes. The real-world rule is simple: change your oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Why the 6-month limit? Even if you barely drive, fuel dilution and moisture slowly break down oil, creating sludge, varnish, and sticking piston rings. Frequent short trips make this happen even faster because the engine rarely gets hot enough to burn contaminants off. Always replace the oil filter as well. Running clean oil through a dirty filter is like pouring fresh water through a sponge full of mud. It doesn't accomplish much. Use Toyota-approved synthetic oil, or at minimum, oils rated APISP or ILSA CGF6. Mobil 1, Castrol Edge, and Toyota OEM oil are all reliable choices. If you do it yourself, all you need is an oil catch pan, a filter wrench, and a funnel. For most Toyotas, the total cost stays under $50. And don't get distracted by $90 exotic oils. You're not racing the car, you're preserving it. Number 2. Never skip coolant replacement. This is one service many Toyota owners push far too long. Toyota Super Long Life coolant does outlast traditional green coolant, but it isn't permanent. After about 5 years or 50,000 miles, it begins to turn acidic, slowly eating away at gaskets, O-rings, and aluminium components. The most common consequences of neglected coolant are water pump failures and external head gasket leaks, especially on older 2.4-liter, 2.5-liter, and 3.5-liter Toyota engines. Once the coolant becomes corrosive, the water pump seal deteriorates, and before long, coolant can leak into the combustion chamber or exhaust system. The fix is straightforward: flush and refill with Toyota Pink coolant or an approved equivalent every 5 years or 50,000 miles. If you drive a hybrid, don't overlook the inverter coolant. It's just as important as the engine loop. Check the coolant overflow reservoir monthly. A dropping level often signals a developing leak. If you're doing the job yourself, use a spill-free funnel to prevent air pockets and always bleed the system afterward if your model requires it. This is especially important on newer Highlanders and Tacomas. A coolant service typically costs around $120. A cylinder head repair can exceed $2,500. The maths is simple. Number 3. Replace the transmission fluid on time. This is one area where people either obsess or completely neglect it, and both approaches miss the mark. Toyota's lifetime world standard fluid doesn't mean it lasts forever. It means it should survive the warranty period. Our goal isn't 100,000 miles, it's 500,000. Here's how professionals handle it. For non-hybrid Toyotas, change the fluid every 60,000 miles or every 6 years. For hybrids, you can safely extend that to around 80,000 miles. Skip the flush. A simple drain and refill is the smart move. It removes enough contaminated fluid without shocking the system or dislodging internal debris. Transmission fluid does far more than lubricate. It manages hydraulic pressure, applies clutches, and helps control heat. Once it degrades, shifts become rough, clutches wear prematurely, and valve bodies can clog. Always use the correct fluid, Toyota WS or CVT-FE where required. This is especially critical for newer CVT and hybrid drivetrains. Avoid universal ATFS. They're rarely a true match. Pro tip: after refilling, drive the car for 5 to 10 minutes, then recheck the level on flat ground. Some Toyotas require the fluid to be within a specific temperature range for an accurate reading. this isn't the place to cut corners. A transmission replacement can run $4,000 or more. A proper drain and refill usually costs $100 to $150. Number 4. Stop ignoring small leaks and warning lights. This is how most $5,000 repairs begin, with a tiny drip or a dashboard light that someone chose to ignore for now. If you notice oil spots on the ground, coolant drips, fuel smells, or a check engine light on the dash, address it immediately. Don't assume it's harmless. A basic OBD2 scanner costs about $25 and can quickly tell you whether it's something minor, like a loose gas cap, or an issue that needs attention. Use it. Toyota engines are incredibly forgiving, but neglect causes problems to snowball. Something as small as a failed $20 PCV valve can lead to a clogged intake, a stuck EGR valve, and oil seal damage if left unchecked. Have the vehicle inspected at least once a year, either by a professional or on your own using a checklist. Grab a flashlight and look for leaks around the valve cover, timing chain cover, and oil pan. Catching issues early is the easiest and cheapest way to avoid major repairs later. Number 5. Service the differential and transfer case fluids. If you drive a 4Runner, Tacoma, Sequoia, or an all-wheel drive Highlander, this one matters. Front and rear differentials, along with the transfer case on 4-wheel drive systems, rely on heavy gear oil that gradually breaks down from heat, age, and shear forces. Change these fluids every 30,000 miles, especially the first service, which removes metal shavings left over from the break-in period. Always use the correct fluid specification, such as GL5 or whatever Toyota specifically recommends. Don't mix viscosities or randomly combine brands. Warning signs that you're overdue include humming or whining at highway speeds, leaks around axle or case seals, and difficulty engaging 4-wheel drive. For DIY maintenance, you'll need a fluid pump, a breaker bar, and new crush washers. And always loosen the fill plug before draining the fluid. There's nothing worse than emptying the case and discovering you can't refill it. These components are built to last, but repairs can easily exceed $2,000. Fresh fluid usually costs around $60. Number 6. Always use OEM spark plugs. They may be small parts, but neglecting them can destroy ignition coils, hurt fuel economy, and, in extreme cases, even damage pistons. Most Toyota engines are designed for iridium spark plugs with service intervals of roughly 100,000 to 120,000 miles. Some V6 and turbocharged engines require shorter intervals, closer to 60,000 miles. Always follow your specific model's recommendation. This isn't a place to cut costs. Stick with Denso or NGK plugs that match the original OEM specification. Aftermarket substitutes often miss the exact heat range, which can disrupt combustion and timing. Pro tip: even if you haven't reached the mileage interval, replace spark plugs every 10 years. Left in too long, plugs can seize in aluminium cylinder heads, turning a simple 20-minute job into an expensive repair. While you're there, inspect the ignition coil boots for cracks or oil contamination and replace any damaged ones to prevent future misfires. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease to the boots to prevent arcing and make future removal easier. Number 7. Service the often overlooked fluids: brake fluid and power steering fluid. These are usually ignored until problems show up, like squealing noises or a soft brake pedal. Brake fluid absorbs moisture over time. Even if you only drive about 5,000 miles a year, water contamination can still occur, leading to internal corrosion, damaged ABS components, and reduced braking performance. Replace brake fluid every 3 to 5 years, depending on your climate. In humid regions, stick closer to 3 years. Use DOT3 or DOTI4 fluid, as specified in your Toyota owner's manual, and avoid opening the reservoir unless necessary. Exposure to air accelerates moisture absorption. Power steering fluid is just as important on Toyotas equipped with hydraulic steering, which many models had through the mid-2000s. Over time, the fluid degrades and collects fine metal particles, increasing wear on the pump and rack seals. Change it every 50,000 to 70,000 miles using the correct compatible fluid, not ATF, unless your manual specifically calls for it. For simple DIY maintenance between full services, a fluid extractor or even a turkey baster works well. If you've made it this far, consider liking the video, giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to the channel. It helps support more honest, practical car advice. Number 8. Inspect your cooling fans and belts. Two often overlooked components that play a major role in Toyota longevity. Cooling fans are responsible for pulling heat away from both the radiator and the AC condenser. When they fail, air conditioning performance usually drops first, followed by a real risk of engine overheating. Test them once a year, turn the AC to maximum, open the hood, and confirm that both fans are spinning properly. The serpentine belt powers critical systems like the alternator, air conditioning compressor, water pump, and more. If it slips or cracks, multiple systems can fail at once. Inspect it every 50,000 miles and plan to replace it between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and climate. Timing belt, if equipped. Some older Toyotas, such as certain 4.7-liter V8s and V6 engines, use a timing belt instead of a chain. These should be replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. If a timing belt fails, it can bend valves and destroy the engine. Always use high-quality belts. OEM Toyota or Bando belts are proven, reliable options, and if you hear squealing or chirping from under the hood, don't ignore it. It's often an early warning sign. Number 8. Replace all filters on schedule. Filters may not be exciting, but neglecting them restricts airflow and allows contaminants to spread throughout the vehicle. Cabin air filter. Replace once a year. A clogged cabin filter reduces HVAC airflow, puts extra strain on the blower motor, and makes your air conditioning feel weak, especially if you drive in dusty or heavily urban areas. Engine air filter. Replace every 12,000 miles or once a year. When it's dirty, the engine is forced to run rich, which hurts fuel economy and accelerates spark plug wear. Fuel filter. Many newer Toyotas use non-serviceable in-tank filters. However, if you own an older model or a diesel, replace the fuel filter every 60,000 to 90,000 miles. A clogged filter can starve the engine of fuel and overwork the fuel pump. Transmission filter, if accessible. On some older Toyotas, such as certain Camry and Highlander models, dropping the pan and replacing the filter every 120,000 miles is worthwhile. Many newer models no longer have a serviceable transmission filter. Always use OEM or high-quality aftermarket filters. A $12 part can prevent thousands of dollars in damage by keeping dirt, debris, and contaminated fuel out of critical systems. Number 10. Rotate your tires and keep the alignment in check. Basic tire maintenance can save you thousands in suspension repairs. Rotate your tires every 5,000 miles, ideally at every oil change. This promotes even tread wear and prevents uneven tire patterns from placing extra stress on suspension components. Have your alignment checked at least once a year or anytime you hit a major pothole. If the car pulls to one side or the steering wheel isn't centered, alignment is likely off. Misalignment doesn't just destroy tires, it slowly wears out bushings, CV axles, tie rods, and even wheel bearings. Check tire pressure monthly as well. Underinflated tires wear prematurely and add unnecessary strain to the suspension. Bonus tip: if your Toyota is equipped with TPMS, make sure no warning lights appear after a tire rotation. Some models require a system recalibration. A wheel alignment typically costs around $100. Replacing worn suspension components can easily run $1,500 or more.